you can make some sort of connection with them other than just dog training and, hey, this is how much it costs. People want to work with people that they know, like, and trust. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, absolutely. They like I said earlier, I mean, people like feeling special, feeling good about themselves. Everybody does.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and a lot of people, they don't get that nowadays.
Yep.
They go to work, clock in, clock out, or salary or whatever. They go home, they eat, they watch some TV, they go to bed. Most people's lives are like that. So when you come in and you make somebody feel special, and you don't just, you come in and I come in and I'll spend time. I don't care. I hear a lot of people say, oh, we'll get there, I won't be there no more than 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay. I don't, but that's
right. Exactly.
I'll spend the first 45 minutes getting to know them if I have to. I don't care.
Yeah, no, I love that, man. I love that about you, because I think back to even our like sales call that we did together before you became a client, and we talked for like probably an hour, maybe a little over an hour, just talking about business before I even said to you, hey, let's set up a time where we could talk about how we can help you. You gotta make people like actually believe, not just like feel like, but believe that you care about them, because it should be genuine.
You don't rush them to get their money, right? Because they get that every single day. You go buy a car, they're getting rushed and getting pushed.
Right.
I sold cars for a while at Rick Hendrick Toyota, like time I got out of the military until I found something. So I was doing like big dealership. And so, I mean, I know how it is.
Yeah.
And people don't like that, and they don't trust car salesmen. I tell people all the time, I'm like, I once I get to know them, I'll be like, listen, I'm not going to pressure you. Right. But I there is pressure, but it's not, it's all like, they don't know it.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
I'm like leading them where I want them to go, and kind of like guiding them, and they're like bouncing off the bumpers. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So leading them down. And I'm not like doing it in like a mischievous way or anything like that. Like, I really am guiding them because I really want their dog to get good quality training, and I really truly believe that Cornerstone is the right place for them. So so I guide them, and I always keep them moving down, and I don't like pressure the hell out of people. I don't like tell them, hey, it's either you're gonna train with us or you're not. You know what I mean? I don't make them feel like that. Right.
Exactly. I even find that saying to people, because I just had a sales call before, and I could tell that they really didn't, and nobody wants to be like hard sold into anything. So if you tell them like, hey, I'm not going to give you a hard sell at the end of this, I just want to genuinely ask you some questions to see if I can help. Like you can see their, people's guard will be taken down. Like just tell them, even just telling them that makes them feel like, okay, he's acknowledging that he's not going to try and like force me into something I don't actually need or want here. Yeah.
And I'll tell people, I'll tell them like, hey, I'm not a car salesman. I'm not going to I'm not going to stand at your door and not leave and get you to like sign contracts and all that stuff. Right.
Yeah.
I'm here to answer all your questions. I know you have concerns, I'm here to answer everything humanly possible that I can. And if I can't, then I will find an answer for you. I'll get it back to you today. I'm here to like educate you. And then if you decide Cornerstone is right for you, then we're going to know at the end of this consultation.
Right. Exactly.
And this is after I've spent a lot of time like getting to know